Hi, Malik the Magic Guy, ExpertVillage.com. And now for the banana fold. Now the banana fold is an important structure to learn because when you start getting into more building of characters, this is going to be pretty handy. So what you want to do is start off like we did with the bow twist and the heart and tie the two ends of the balloon together. Now we're going to pinch here at the opposite end from the knot. So here's the knot. We want to pinch here, and we want to give that a twist. So we have two really long bubbles like this. You can sort of make like a giant mouth type of thing. Do some joke about that if you want. Now, then we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to twist across these two bubbles. So it's kind of like a bow twist now, but there's a joint right here between two balloons. Now you want to fold it in half, and you want to tuck one bubble here through this, kind of like when we did the roll through, and you want to just twist those around each other so that you end up with something that looks kind of like a football. And this is a classic banana fold. This will be handy for doing some bodies on some characters later. You can use this, sometimes you can put a 5-inch round in here. Sometimes if you're working with one of the eyeball balloons, you can tuck that in there like that. So banana fold is handy to know as well. Pretty simple to make. There it is.